For centuries, humans have sought to connect with the divine through rituals. These sacred acts, rooted in the traditions of ancient civilizations, often seem to hold a power beyond human understanding. Were they merely symbolic gestures of faith, or did our ancestors possess knowledge of energies and entities far greater than we can comprehend? As we delve into 4 of the most mysterious ancient rituals, we must ask, were these practices born of human ingenuity, or were they inspired by something out of this world? The ziggurats of Mesopotamia, temples or alien beacons. Over 5,000 years ago, in the heart of Mesopotamia, the Sumerians built towering ziggurats, immense structures designed to reach the heavens. These architectural marvels were not just places of worship but sites of intricate rituals. Priests ascended these temple towers to perform ceremonies aimed at summoning beings from the sky, beings they referred to as the Anunnaki. The Sumerians were incredibly advanced for their time, pioneering mathematics, writing, and astronomy. Their sudden surge in knowledge has led some to believe that they were being guided by extraterrestrial forces. Clay tablets from this era speak of divine visitors who descended from the stars, sharing wisdom and technology. Were these beings gods, as the Sumerians believed, or were they something more tangible, extraterrestrial travelers engaging with humanity? The Mayan bloodletting ceremony, a ritual of cosmic balance. In the ancient Mayan civilization, bloodletting was far more than a symbolic sacrifice. The Mayans believed that human blood carried the essence of life itself and served as a conduit to the gods. By offering their own lifeblood, rulers and priests sought to maintain cosmic balance and communicate with celestial beings. The Mayans left behind intricate carvings and texts that describe sky gods descending to Earth. Could these bloodletting rituals have been attempts to summon or appease extraterrestrial visitors? Some researchers argue that these ceremonies coincided with astronomical events, such as eclipses and planetary alignments. Did the Mayans understand something about the cosmos that we have yet to uncover? And were their gods not gods at all, but visitors from another world? The Eleusinian Mysteries of Greece, a path to higher realms. For nearly 2,000 years, the Eleusinian Mysteries were the most sacred rituals in ancient Greece. Held in honor of Demeter and Persephone, these ceremonies promised initiates a profound transformation, a glimpse into the divine mysteries of life and death. But the details of these rituals remain veiled in secrecy. Participants in the Eleusinian Mysteries consumed a kykeon, a mysterious potion believed to induce visions of otherworldly realms. Some suggest this potion contained psychoactive substances, but others argue that it allowed initiates to access higher dimensions of reality. Could this sacred drink have been more than a hallucinogenic brew? Was it a tool for interdimensional communication, a method of unlocking human potential, or even a gift from extraterrestrial beings? The Tibetan sky burials, returning to the stars. In the remote heights of the Himalayas, Tibetan monks perform sky burials, a ritual of returning the dead to the heavens. This practice reflects a belief that human life is intrinsically connected to the cosmos, and that the soul's true home is among the stars. The symbolism of sky burials is profound. Some interpret it as an acknowledgement of humanity's extraterrestrial origins, a ritual that recognizes our cosmic ancestry. The stars hold a central place in Tibetan spirituality, and their rituals echo a timeless question. Are we truly from this earth, or are we beings of the universe, destined to return to the stars? A montage of all 4 rituals. From the towering ziggurats of Mesopotamia to the sacred heights of the Himalayas, these rituals are more than historical curiosities. They are testaments to humanity's enduring desire to connect with the unknown. Were they inspired solely by faith, or do they point to encounters with beings far beyond our comprehension? Are these ancient rituals the key to understanding humanity's forgotten past? What secrets lie hidden in the ruins of these civilizations? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an episode. Together, we'll continue uncovering the mysteries of the ancient world. Humanity's rituals, symbols, and sacred sites carry echoes of a forgotten connection to the stars. Whether they point to divine inspiration, extraterrestrial contact, or lost knowledge, one thing is clear: our ancestors sought to bridge the gap between the mortal and the infinite. The question is, what will we discover if we follow their path?